Welcome guys to Tech Tips episode 2. Today we'll be talking about a program called CCLEANER. And what CCLEANER does is it pretty much cleans out your hard drive from temporary files and leftover pieces of files that might be on your computer after you uninstalled programs and just leftover junk that clutters up your hard drive. So the first thing you want to do is actually look for the program. And when you open up your browser, you can just search. I think it's the first one that comes up. So you want to type in CCLEANER. And it is the first one that comes up. You click on it. And what you want to do is just click the download button. And it should download from one of these areas. If you want to download, it gives you two choices here. So I'll download from File Hippo. And you can click the Download Now button right over here. And once this downloads, depending on where you see, click the Save File. And once you download that, oh, actually, that's not the right one. I clicked the wrong thing. Actually, you're supposed to be clicking this one. This one over here. Click the download latest version. And it'll come up right here. And it'll be called CC Setup 234.exe. That's the latest one. And what you want to do is save the file. And once you save the file, you just want to run it. So wherever you save that file to, I have it saved already. So wherever you save it to, just run the installation one. And what you'll get is icon that looks like this, and it looks like a C with a brush on it, an orange C. And once you run the file, it looks like that. You'll be greeted with an interface that has a whole bunch of checks on the boxes. Now we don't want to change anything, because what CCLEANER does, it actually takes out the unneeded files safely. So what we want to do is analyze the drive. So we want to click Analyze. This will already be checked, the cleaner icon. Click Analyze. And oh, I have to close the browsers. That's one thing, you have to close the browsers before you run this program for some reason. Okay. So now analysis complete. Yours may take a little longer. It found 102 megabytes to be removed. So what you want to do is click the Run Cleaner. Click OK. It'll warn you that this process will permanently delete files from your system. I never had a problem with it, so I'm going to click OK. If you feel a little weary about this, about cleaning files up, then don't run the program, I guess. But I can honestly vouch for this program. It doesn't give any problems as long as you leave the defaults the way they are and you don't change anything. So now it cleaned it. The next step you want to do in this program is click the registry button under it. This blue registry button right here. And a lot of people say that you shouldn't be messing with your registry unless you know what you're doing. And they're absolutely correct, because messing with the registry can really mess up your computer beyond repair unless you want to reinstall Windows again. But what CCLEANER does is it safely removes parts of the registry that are unneeded, such as obsolete software or leftover pieces of files and missing DLLs and just pieces of files that you really don't need to run, and all these different issues that you have in your registry. So what you want to do is click Scan for Issues. Now I've been running this program for years, and I never really came across any problems or any problems running other programs. It didn't crash anything. once it's done with that, see, it only found missing references and unused file extensions, which clutter the registry. Now you want to click, once that's done, you want to click Fix Selected Issues. And now it says, do you want to back up these changes? Now I always click No, but for those of you, like I said, are weary and think that something might happen, you can click Yes and make a backup of your registry, just in case. But I click No, never had an issue. Now you want to click Fix All Selected Issues, and this is the last step. And it says all issues have been fixed. You want to click Close now, and that's pretty much it. Your registry and the parts of the Internet Explorer are now clean. So what you want to do is close the program, and it's as simple as that, folks. That's the whole thing about CCLEANER. And for those of you who don't want to run CCLEANER, there is a program within Windows, actually, that does pretty much the same thing. And that program can be found if you click Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and then you can click on Disk Cleanup. And this will run a little bit. It says compressing old files, and it pretty much does the same thing that CCLEANER does, but not as aggressive. So for those of you who don't want to run CCLEANER for some reason or other, you can use this instead. But what this does is it just takes out the temporary files, and sometimes that also speeds up your PC. So once this is done, you'll click OK. This might take a while. Once this is done, you click OK, and that's how you do it within Windows using the Disk Cleanup utility. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps somebody that didn't know how to clean up their hard drive the safe way. And leave comments and let me know if anyone runs into problems, and I'll try and help you. Thanks for watching Tech Tips, Episode 2. Take care, guys, and stay safe. Bye.